In this video, I will show you how to view private inventory in Roblox. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is go to roblox.com. Then after that, go to search and then search for the profile that you want to visit. So for example, I will visit this profile. So I will type it and then click it. And here, click on the profile and you will see the three dots here. So click on it and then go ahead and click on inventory. So here you will see the items that they have in this inventory. So a lot of accessories that you need to explore. Then if you don't see the private inventory, so go back and then click on three dots again and then click on favorites. And here you will see the favorite items that they had. So for this example, the profile I visited is they have no favorite item. So yeah, let's assume that she has a favorite item and you will see a lot of inventory on this. And that's it. That's how you're gonna see the private inventory in Roblox. So if it helped you, please like and subscribe.